Hello everyone, and welcome back to MyMoneyKarma. We are diving into a topic that's on the minds of many aspiring homeowners: which living spaces should I buy? When considering real estate options, the choice between standalone apartments and gated communities depends on your preferences and needs. Flats, popular in both the housing and rental markets, offer amenities, security, and often better commuting options. Villas and penthouses provide spacious and luxurious living but come with substantial maintenance costs. For those seeking a small, favorable investment, studio apartments are ideal. While not well suited for families, their high demand contributes to a steady increase in prices over the years. Gated community flats, in particular, stand out for their decent rental yield, even with limited amenities, a feature not commonly found in other living spaces. Bungalows, villas, and penthouses are less popular in the rental market due to higher maintenance costs. Despite studio apartments offering good rental yields, their profitability is heavily reliant on location. When it comes to financing, banks are generally more willing to provide a loan of up to 90% of the property value for apartments and gated communities, compared to a maximum of 70% for other living spaces. This preference among lenders is based on the perceived assurance offered by structured living spaces, making apartments and gated communities more favorable choices for potential buyers. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Visit MyMoneyKarma.